How to install WhatsApp on Android. Hello everybody. If you are wondering how, you may follow up these easy steps. So one of them is you may long press on WhatsApp, and once you do, you should be finding an option called Uninstall on your screen. You can go ahead and tap on it, and after doing so, here it will come a pop-up saying that do you really want to install this app? If you really do, click on OK and your app should be installed. Otherwise, you may head over to the main settings of your device, and then after opening up this, scroll down and go over to the option called Apps, and then after going on Apps, scroll down and look for WhatsApp, or you may also use the search bar from this interface. For now, I'm scrolling down. Just need to go ahead and search for WhatsApp like this and tap on it. After doing so, in the bottom of your screen, you should be finding Uninstall option in the middle. You may go ahead and tap on it. And again, you need to confirm it in order to install the app. So that is how you install WhatsApp on your Android device. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.